Yo, we got some apple pie a la mode. I think that's how you say it when you put the apple pie with the ice cream. Ooh-wee. These are the apple pies, by the way, the Hosties with some Breyers ice cream. Let's see what they're hitting on. This is, the crazy thing is, this is brownie a la mode ice cream from Breyers with and I made it into an apple pie a la mode. Yo, if that would have fell, I would have been mad. Do I got something in my nose? This joint hitting. Y'all never had apple pie and ice cream? Y'all missing out. Cause it's the real deal. Look. Fire. Fire. And got the brownie chunks. Big bakery. Love y'all. See y'all later.